Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 1, Ind AS 107 and Ind AS 109. Ind AS 1 deals with presentation of financial statements. Ind AS 107 deals with disclosures of financial instruments, and Ind AS 109 deals with a recognition and measurement of financial instruments. After watching the videos on GAAP Advisors channel, download the financial statements of the listed company of which you are an investor, auditor, lender or employee, and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India. Suppose you find similar reporting in another financial statements but feel the need to discuss on the same. In such cases, you may like to have one-on-one consultation on your findings. A link to book one-on-one consultation is given in the description box. You may contribute your desired amount for the knowledge obtained by scanning the QR code given in the slides. You can also contribute by sharing this video to maximum people, spreading the knowledge and awareness of financial reporting standards in India. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on gapadvisors.com. To explain the problem, we have reproduced the note on investments, accounting policy on investment in subsidiaries, and categories of financial instruments with level of fair value disclosed by a listed company. Please watch this video till the end to understand the problem. The note on investment, being too long, has been reproduced in multiple slides. The company has disclosed that it carries investment in subsidiary at cost as its accounting policy. The company has started the note on investments with disclosure of investment in quoted equity shares. The company has disclosed the holdings only on 1 April 2016. Therefore, the company would have de-recognized them subsequently. This slide continues the disclosure of investment in quoted equity shares. The note is so long that pasting the same as picture in this slide has resulted in very small sized fonts. I hope you can see the total. I hope you can see the total disclosed by the company for investment in quoted equity shares is rupee 46.23 lakhs. Continuing with the note on investments, the company has disclosed investment in unquoted equity shares of subsidiary. The company has then disclosed investment in unquoted equity shares of other companies, investment in government securities, and investments in debentures or bonds. The total of all investments is rupee 1723.93 lakhs as on 31st March 2018, rupee 1841.92 lakhs as on 31 March 2017, and rupee 1931.29 lakhs as on 1 April 2016. Nowhere in the note on investments has the company disclosed how it has measured those investments. Therefore, to understand the measurement, the reader must refer to the note disclosing categories of financial instruments. However, the company has not cross-referenced that note. Thus, the information regarding a material item is scattered throughout the financial statements. Accordingly, the company has presented obscuring information according to Ind AS 1. This slide shows an extract of the note on categories of financial instruments disclosed by the company. The company disclosed investments in two categories: amortized cost and fair value through other comprehensive income. The total of investments measured at amortized cost is equal to the total of all investments, and total of investments measured at fair value through other comprehensive income is equal to the total of investment in quoted equity shares. Thus, the amounts disclosed in the note on categories of financial instruments disclosed by the company is not matching with the note on investments. Para 6 of Ind AS 107. Para 6 of Ind AS 107 requires a company to provide sufficient information to permit a reconciliation to the line items presented in the balance sheet. The company has not provided sufficient information to permit a reconciliation and accordingly has not complied with Para 6 of Ind AS 107. The company has investment in subsidiary which have been measured at cost as per the accounting policy disclosed by the company. However, the company has disclosed the category of such investments as investments measured at amortized cost. Para 3A of Ind AS 107. Para 3A of Ind AS 107 scopes out investment in subsidiary measured at cost. Therefore, the company should not have included the investment in subsidiary measured at cost in the note on categories of financial instruments. Thus, the company has not complied with Para 3A of Ind AS 107. The company has investments in unquoted equity shares which cannot be measured at amortized cost in accordance with Para 4.1.2 and 4.1.4 of Ind AS 109. However, the company has disclosed that the investments in unquoted equity shares have been measured at amortized cost. Therefore, the company has also not complied with Ind AS 109. Due to this, all components of financial statements, balance sheet, statement of profit and loss, statement of changes in equity, statement of cash flows, and notes have been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code for the knowledge obtained. If not, please do it now. You can also contribute by sharing this video to maximum people, spreading the knowledge and awareness of financial reporting standards in India. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com.